My name is Josh Schneiker. I'm with the City of Seguin. This is our Manufacturing Day tour, and we are connecting students with employers and highlighting career pathways within the manufacturing industry.
What I really liked about Made in Seguin was the workers and the companies. They took time out of their day and they made it about us. We weren't in their way. They showed us everything, and that was just really cool.
Hi, my name is Nathan Whiteman. I go to Seguin High School. Well, I learned about a lot of the different types of machinery here, and I also learned do not look at the arcs while you're going through.
Hello, my name is Jeremy Syons. I go to Seguin High School. I just really liked seeing how, insides of how all this works, because you'll see stuff like this, if you're driving by, companies like this, but I didn't know how it actually works on the inside, so that was pretty cool.
We want to make sure that our students and our future workforce that is here in Seguin right now stays in Seguin, and by touring and partnering with industry, we're able to highlight those career pathways and help really showcase the great careers that are available here in Seguin for the workers of tomorrow.